Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of effortlessly chic lips that stay hydrated all day long, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to deliver both hydration and a beautiful, natural shine. The Flower Beauty by Barrymore Perfect Pout Moisturizing Lipstick in Barrymore. Let's break it down and see if it truly lives up to the hype. This lipstick isn't just about adding color, it's all about the hydration. The creamy formula claims to nourish your lips with a burst of moisture while giving you a natural glossy finish that's ideal for everyday wear. The shade Barrymore is a gorgeous, versatile berry that's suitable for a wide range of skin tones, perfect for a soft, buildable tint or a more vibrant pop of color. Now let's talk about what's inside. Flower Beauty has made it clear that this lipstick is both cruelty-free and vegan, so it's an excellent option for those of us who are mindful of ethical beauty choices. The formula is designed to be soothing, helping to hydrate and smooth your lips while providing that subtle, healthy-looking shine. No drying effects here, which is a major plus in the world of creamy lip products. When it comes to real-world use, I've been incorporating this lipstick into my routine for a few days now. And here's what I found. The texture is luxuriously creamy, gliding on smoothly without tugging or pulling, making it easy to apply on the go. I love that it's buildable, so I can start with a light wash of color for a natural look and layer it on for a bolder finish when I'm feeling more daring. The shine is just the right amount, not too glossy but not matte either, giving my lips that healthy, hydrated glow. Now, I have to mention the longevity. It's not the longest lasting lipstick I've ever tried, but for a moisturizing formula, I was pleasantly surprised by how long it held up, especially considering how often I find myself reapplying lip products throughout the day. It's definitely more of a touch-up product, which is fine given how comfortable it feels on the lips. I didn't experience any dryness or fading patches, which is often a concern with creamy lip products. On to the pros and cons. The biggest pro here is definitely the hydration factor. It truly does soothe and moisturize, making it a great option for anyone with dry lips or who's tired of products that make their lips feel parched. I also really like the versatility of the color. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to work or going out for a casual dinner. As for cons, the only downside I can see is that the staying power isn't as long as some of the more matte or long wear formulas out there. If you're someone who prefers low-maintenance lipsticks that you don't need to think about all day, you might want to keep that in mind. In terms of value for money, this lipstick falls into the mid-range price category. Given its moisturizing properties and the quality of the product overall, I think it's worth the price, especially if you're someone who values ethical beauty choices. Plus, the buildable color and hydrating finish are definitely worth the investment if you're looking for a versatile, everyday lipstick. For alternatives, if you're looking for a similar effect but at a lower price point, the NYX Butter Glosses are always a solid option. They don't have the same creamy lipstick texture, but they give a nice hydrating gloss with a similar finish. However, if you want to stick with Flower Beauty, they have other shades in the Perfect Pout line that offer similar hydration, but might be more suited to your preferred color family. Now, I do have to say, this lipstick is definitely a win for anyone who loves a soft, natural look with a boost of hydration. It's ideal for those of us who want the benefits of a moisturizing balm, but with a little more color and shine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried the Flower Beauty Perfect Pout Moisturizing Lipstick, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.